Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Kelly Owens, and I'm a visiting assistant professor and program coordinator of Urban Studies and Public Policy here at Dillard University.
Good evening. My name is Nick Harris, director of the Dillard University Community Relations.
The project that the students are working on is in collaboration with the Community Development Corporation, and the focus is on eliminating food deserts in the Gentilly community.
Working with the Urban Studies Department through a special project that they're working on, we have the opportunity of driving through the Gentilly community and identifying and understanding why this is a food desert. And a food desert is a location where it's more than 5 miles to the nearest fresh supermarket where you can get fresh produce. And after Katrina, there was no such type supermarket available. And so this community has been inundated with a number of fast food restaurants and corner supermarkets and stores, I would say, something quick and fast for people to go and pick up. And Gentilly being a low to medium income community, that we knew that was very important to start an educational type program on nutrition and healthy food.
Students are not only conducting the research, but they're also identifying solutions. And one of the solutions is around the idea of community gardening. And so the students have visited some of the schools in the neighborhood that have actually started community gardens. And so these elementary school students are gaining exposure to the idea of healthy produce that can be grown in their own backyards, thus eliminating the need to have to rely on the grocery stores for these products. And being able to have this hands-on experience will hopefully, change the dynamics with respect to health conditions that you find in these same communities where food deserts exist.
Research that the students in the Urban Studies Department is currently doing in the Gentilly area is very important. That research is going to be used later in for us to help to plan workshops, to draft brochures and information, to plan future projects for the community relating to health fairs, and also just to address the needs of the community.
I'm very proud of the students because they've approached this particular issue with a lot of creativity, and they've been identifying different ways to make all of these connections. For example, there will be cooking demonstrations. The students are going to participate in a health-based festival where they will survey residents to get a better understanding about the choices that residents have and the choices that residents are making with respect to healthy foods.
With all of this, we have our 7th annual Health and Sports Festival, which will be held on April the 6th, on Saturday, April the 6th of 2013. And it's a great program. We have over 50 exhibitors, health related medical companies that will be out here. We have a basketball game, a number of sport events for the kids, healthy cooking demonstrations would take place on that particular day. We have food booths, musical entertainment, and something for the entire family. But most of all, it's free and open to the public. We always assume that people know what services are available to them in the community, but this is an opportunity for all the social service agencies and medical agencies that's within the city of New Orleans to be in one place. It's a one-stop shop, and to provide information to the general public. And so we have surveys going on, and then we're expecting close to 300 people to be out on this particular day. And I'm really excited about it, but more excited about to see our students at Dillard University get involved with this community outreach initiative, and one that's so very important to the survival of our community and now to the health of these people. So with all the work that's been going on over the last 4 months, working with the Urban Studies Department and the students in Urban Studies and the instructor, it has been a very rewarding experience, not only for myself but also for the students to actually get the real life experience of what's going on in the community, a community in which they also live but may have not known exactly what was going on within their community. as for something as simple as eating well.